Right now, behind closed doors in tech labs scattered across the globe, things are getting weird. The line between science fiction and reality didn't just blur, it completely vanished. We are talking about machines with synthetic muscles that look like real human flesh. Humanoids being mass-produced for your living room. AI brains that can map an entire building and navigate it in seconds. Today on Smart Invention, we're counting down 12 of the newest, most jaw-dropping robots that will absolutely blow your mind. And trust me, Number one looks straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. You are not ready for it. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 12, and this one right here sets the tone for everything you're about to see. Here's the thing about humanoid robots. Until very recently, they were exclusively toys for billionaires and billion-dollar corporations. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars just to get one through the door. Meet the Unitree G1, and it is about to flip that entire script upside down. This pint-sized powerhouse stands at just over 1.3 meters tall. Compact, lightweight, unassuming, but watch what it does next. That right there is a 1.4 meter standing long jump. No running start, no ramp. Just raw mechanical power launching itself through the air like it's nothing. And it doesn't stop there. The G1 can execute ultra-precise tasks with its robotic fingers, navigate complex terrain, and deliver high-speed strikes powerful enough to smash through solid brick. But here's the part that changes everything. Unitree is targeting a mass production price of under $20,000. $20,000. In a world where humanoid robots used to cost as much as a house, this is a seismic shift. Your future household assistant might literally arrive in a shipping box on your doorstep sooner than you think. 12 down, 11 to go. And number 11? This one is already on the factory floor at BMW, and it's completely rewriting what an automated workforce looks like. Number 11, and this one isn't a prototype sitting in a lab somewhere. This one is already working. Meet Figure 02, backed by some of the biggest names in tech, and widely considered one of the most advanced commercially available humanoids on the planet right now. But what separates Figure 02 from everything else out there isn't just its hardware, it's what's running inside it. Figure 02 features fully integrated onboard OpenAI intelligence, which means this machine doesn't just follow pre-written code like every robot before it. It thinks in real time. It speaks in real time. Ask it a question on the factory floor, it answers you. Give it a new task it's never seen before, it figures it out. And right now, it's being deployed on the live assembly lines at BMW, picking up metal sheets, placing components with millimeter precision, working shoulder to shoulder with human employees without missing a beat. This isn't a future prediction. This isn't a concept video. This is happening this morning in a real factory with real cars rolling off the line. The shift toward an automated workforce isn't coming in a decade. It already started. 11 down, 10 to go. And number 10? One of the most legendary robots in history just got a complete and terrifying reinvention. You need to see this. Number 10. And if you thought you knew what Atlas was, forget everything. Boston Dynamics has completely torn it down and rebuilt it from scratch. And the result is equal parts breathtaking and deeply unsettling. Say goodbye to the old hydraulic Atlas. The bulky frame, the leaking joints, the mechanical hiss every time it moved. This new all-electric Atlas is sleek, silent, lightweight, and it moves in ways that should not be physically possible. Watch this. It's lying flat on the floor. And instead of rolling over and pushing itself up like a human would, it flips its legs completely backward, bends its joints in directions that would shatter a human spine, and rises to its feet like something straight out of a nightmare. Its torso rotates a full 360 degrees. Its limbs bend beyond any range of human motion. Every movement is fluid, deliberate, and disturbingly graceful. This isn't just a design upgrade. Boston Dynamics engineered this new Atlas specifically to take over the most dangerous industrial jobs on Earth. The ones that injure and kill human workers every single day. Stronger, faster, more agile, and completely electric. The legend didn't retire, it evolved. 10 down. 9 to go. And number 9, this one doesn't just look like a robot from Westworld. It will make you genuinely question whether what you're seeing is real. Number 9. And I need you to stop whatever you're doing and pay very close attention to what you're about to see. Because this right here is the single most realistic artificial human body ever built. Meet the clone Robotics torso. And the moment you see it move, your brain is going to have a very hard time processing what it's looking at. Forget metal gears. Forget rigid motors. Forget everything you think a robot is made of. The clone torso is built from thousands of tiny fluid-driven synthetic muscles. Artificial veins running beneath a transparent skin-like surface. A biomechanical skeleton that mirrors human anatomy with terrifying accuracy. When it moves its hand, the muscles in the forearm contract exactly the way yours do right now. When it rolls its shoulder, you see the tendons shift beneath the surface. Just like a human. It doesn't just look biological. It behaves biological. And the goal of Clone Robotics isn't just to build a cool torso. Their mission, stated openly and without apology, is to build a completely synthetic human being. Not a robot that looks human. A machine that is human. In every physical sense of the word. If Westworld gave you chills, this one is going to send them straight down your spine. 9 down. 8 to go. And number 8, after all that nightmare fuel, we're switching gears completely. Because this next robot isn't built to work in a factory. It's built to live in your home. Number 8, and after everything you just saw, this one is a breath of fresh air. No creepy transparent skin. No spine-bending joint rotations. No factory floors. Just a robot that wants to live with you. Meet the 1X Neo Beta. Developed in partnership with OpenAI, this machine was built with one purpose: to be the safest, most natural robotic companion ever created. No app. No complicated interface. Just natural human language, and Neo figures out the rest. Instead of hard metal plates, Neo is covered in a soft, gearless fabric exterior, which means it moves safely around your children, your pets, and your elderly parents. Zero risk. Zero intimidation. It's the closest thing we've ever built to a real-life C-3PO. 8 down, 7 to go. And number 7, this one completely broke the internet. Number 7. And this one caused absolute chaos on the internet the moment the footage dropped. For decades, the single biggest giveaway of a robot was the walk. That stiff, mechanical shuffle, the rigid hips, the clunky foot placement. You could spot it from 100 meters away. Every robotics team on the planet tried to solve this. And one by one, they fell short. Until now, meet the EngineAI SE1. Powered by a proprietary neural network locomotion system, built to master the exact biomechanics of natural human movement. The hip swing, the ankle flex, the subtle weight shift between every step. If you saw this walking towards you from behind, hand on heart, you would not know it was a robot. The stiff robot shuffle is officially dead. The SE1 killed it. 7 down, 6 to go. And number 6? Already serving customers in real cafes, and it makes a perfect coffee every single time. Number 6, and this one is already out in the real world, serving real customers right now. Picture this. You walk into a sleek modern cafe, you order your usual, and the barista who takes your order, prepares your drink, and slides it across the counter with a smile is not human. Meet Adam by Richtech Robotics. The world's most advanced dual-armed humanoid barista and bartender. And honestly, it might be the most immediately useful robot on this entire list. Adam isn't sitting in a lab waiting for funding. It isn't a concept render on a slide deck. It is actively deploying right now to hundreds of ghost kitchens, hotel lounges, and cafe chains across the country. 2 fully independent arms working in perfect synchronization. Brewing espresso, mixing complex cocktail recipes, pouring intricate latte art with the kind of steady precision that takes a human barista years to master. And while it's doing all of that, it's holding a conversation with you. Adam never has a bad day, never calls in sick, never gets your order wrong, never rushes through your drink because the lunch rush is crazy. Every single cup, perfect. Every single time. The hospitality industry will never look the same again. 6 down, 5 to go. And number 5, This next robot doesn't just see the world around it. It maps it, understands it, and navigates it in real time, with a level of cognitive intelligence that will genuinely stop you in your tracks. Number 5. And this is where robotics stops being about physical capability and starts being about something far more powerful: intelligence. Meet the 4NE1 by Neura Robotics, Germany's most ambitious humanoid project, and the machine redefining what it means for a robot to truly understand its environment. Most robots see the world in flat, basic terms. They detect objects, avoid obstacles, follow pre-mapped routes. The 4NE1 doesn't just see a room, it reads it. Using cognitive 3D vision sensors, it builds a complete real-time map of everything around it. Every object, every surface, every moving person, every hazard, anticipate before it becomes a problem. Slick wet floor, automatically adjusts. Unexpected person crosses its path, instantly reroutes. Brand new room it's never seen, mapped and operational in seconds. And here's what's truly mind-blowing. Most robots are locked to one environment: factory floor or home setting. The 4NE1 handles both seamlessly without missing a single beat. 5 down, 4 to go. And number 4 isn't built for factories or homes, it's built for pure magic. Number 4. And after all the industrial power and synthetic flesh we've seen, this one hits completely differently. Because this robot doesn't want to build your car. It doesn't want to fold your laundry. It doesn't want to map your living room. This one just wants to make you smile. Meet Disney's Bipedal character robot. And what Disney research pulled off here is nothing short of pure, absolute magic. Powered by advanced reinforcement learning, this tiny machine wasn't programmed with specific movements. Instead, it learned, experimented, discovered, just like a child would. And what it discovered is personality. Watch it stumble slightly on a rock. Instead of just recalibrating like a machine, it pauses, tilts its head, looks down with what can only be described as genuine curiosity, then shakes it off and keeps walking with a little extra bounce. No face, no eyes, no voice, and yet you feel it. Curiosity, excitement,
wonder,
all expressed purely through movement. Disney didn't just build a robot. They gave a machine a soul. 4 down, 3 to go. And number 3, nature just got a terrifying mechanical upgrade. Number 3. Take everything you think you know about drones and throw it completely out the window. Because what Festo just built doesn't fly like a drone. It flies like a living creature. Meet the Festo Bionicopter, the most aerodynamically advanced biomimetic flying machine ever constructed. Inspired by one of nature's oldest and most perfect flyers, the Dragonfly. The Dragonfly has existed for over 300 million years. And in all that time, no engineer, no aircraft designer, no aerospace program had ever replicated what it does in the air. Until now, 4 independently controlled carbon fiber wings, each beating up to 20 times per second. Forward, backward, sideways at full speed. Dead still hover without moving a single centimeter. Conventional aircraft fight physics. The Bionicopter works with it, exactly the way nature has for millions of years. And its ultra-lightweight frame, near-silent observation, and unmatched aerial agility make it a massive leap forward in stealth surveillance technology. Something this precise and this quiet could go places no satellite, no camera, and no conventional drone ever could. Nature spent 300 million years perfecting the Dragonfly. Festo just gave it a mechanical soul. 3 down, 2 to go. And number 2 is the most famous robot project on the planet, completely reinvented. Number 2. And if there is one robot project every single person on the planet has heard of, it's this one. Tesla Optimus Gen 2. And what Tesla has done here is not just an upgrade. It is a complete and total reinvention. Let's start with the hands. Because the hands are where everything changes. Tesla scrapped the original design entirely and built brand new hands from the ground up, equipped with advanced tactile sensing technology. Meaning Optimus doesn't just grip objects. It feels them, the pressure, the texture, the fragility, all processed in real time. To prove it, Tesla engineers handed Optimus Gen 2 to a raw egg. Pick it up, hold it, put it down, not a single crack, not even close. The same hands capable of carrying heavy industrial components, handling a raw egg without applying 1 single gram of excess pressure. That level of physical sensitivity has never existed in a humanoid robot, ever. Add a 30% increase in walking speed, custom-engineered actuators, and Elon Musk's stated goal of Optimus eventually outnumbering humans on Earth. And suddenly that prediction doesn't sound crazy at all. 2 down. 1 to go, and number 1 is a real-life transformer heading to space. And finally, number 1, the robot that made our entire team stop, rewind, and watch in complete silence. Meet the M4, the multimodal mobility Morphobot. Built by the combined genius of Caltech and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. This machine is not a robot. Not a drone, not a rover. It is all of them, simultaneously. On flat ground, it rolls on 4 wheels. Fast, smooth, efficient. Boulder in the path? It reprograms its wheels, tilts them upward, transforms them into drone propellers, and flies clean over it. Terrain too tight for wheels or flight? It stands on 2 wheels and walks. 3 transportation modes. 1 machine. 0 limitations. No terrain stops it. No obstacle blocks it. No environment defeats it. And NASA isn't building this for Earth. They're building it for space, Mars, the moon, planets we haven't even named yet. The M4 isn't just the most incredible robot on this list. It might be the most important exploration machine ever built. This is what the future looks like. And the future is already here. The pace of robotics and AI right now is absolutely dizzying. In just a couple of years, these machines went from clunky lab experiments collecting dust on a shelf to autonomous entities that can work, walk, think, and explore alongside us. 12 robots. 12 glimpses into a future that is arriving faster than any of us are ready for. Which one blew your mind the most? Would you let a Neo beta into your home? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video fired up your brain, smash that like button. Subscribe to Smart Invention and hit the notification bell. We drop the future of tech every single week, and you do not want to miss what's coming next. Stay curious, stay ahead. We'll see you in the next one.